Now, we've got this beautiful spaniel in with us today, but the truth is, I would never personally own a spaniel myself. It's not that I don't love them or like them, but it's because the reality is they are super high drive, high energy dog breeds that just literally vibrate with energy and excitement the entire time that they're awake. So yes, they're absolutely beautiful. Yes, they're incredibly cute, but please don't buy one based on those factors. Make sure you are ready, willing and able to be able to give a spaniel, whether it's a Cocker Spaniel or a Springer Spaniel, the kind of life it needs to be happy and fulfilled, and for them to therefore not ruin your life in the process.